This is experimental one. This homework practice the software. So you must to do this to practice software. The homework, the second demand is design the half adder. This is the basic using. This is the basic using. And the second is the second demand is design for adder. This this demand practice the symbol, This symbol is created by the first step. The third is same with the second 更复杂一些更复杂一些。So I will show the process to do this. The first to create a project. The folder name must be English character. English character. I will put the project in this folder. Half. Add. This is the project name. But now the project is empty. The next, I will create a file by schematic. This symbol is under two gate. If you don't know the name, you can open the primitives, the sub library, because the basic element elements are put in this sub library, primitives, and primitives, and primitives include logic. In the logic library, include the AND gate, OR gate, and XOR gate and XNOR gate. This in this primitives and sub library logic and open. XOR 异或门异或，好 ，look gate AND gate and XOR gate XOR 的next I must be find the input pin and output pin. Input output are included this sub library pin primitives and sub library pin. Open the pin input and output. Output. I finished the between the elements between the elements. The next we must change the name. Double click. Okay. Next, I must be save this file. Name must be same with the project name. This project name link this file, this file. Compilate this file. Okay, compilation was successful. Means the schematic is right. Next, we give the circuit simulation. Double clean. We give the input signal value. Save the wave file. And simulate. Look the output signal wave. It means the circuit logic is right. Circuit logic is right. 1的时候，它的进位是1和为0。这个the logic the circuit logic is right. This means I finish the first step. Next, I will finish the second step. Design for adder. In this circuit, this symbol is from the first step. First step. This circuit, I will create the symbol for this circuit. Look the step. Look the step. File open. Find this menu. Create. And this create a simple file for current file. Save. Okay. Okay. I finish the process. Create a symbol for this circuit. This I will start to design this circuit. Create a new project. Create a new project. Not please. when you start to design circuit, you must first to create a new project. Create a new project. Do you want to close the circuit project? Yes. Open, close this project and create a new project. Yes. The new project, I will put the new project in this folder. The same folder. Do you want no? Yes. Next. Next. Finish. This is a new project. And the new project is empty. Schematic. Okay. Look. This symbol and this symbol is the symbol we created. The symbol is symbol we created, and this symbol is a symbol the software provide. So I open this library. The symbol we created put in here. And this is put it in this library. 货门 and gate. Primitive logic. Take this. 哦，change the name 啊。好，好，I will save it. Save. The name must be same with the project for add. 好，open this file. But I can open it. I compile it. 好，the compilation was successful 啊。In same way, we can simulate this circuit 啊。A, B, C is are input signals. We give the value. Because ABC is 3-bit binary, so the value can be 0, 0, 0. From 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Total 8 state. Total 8 states. Total 8. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. Total 8 state. We can simulate according to the demand of test. For example, I give the value 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1, 0. According to the demand of the test. Save. Simulate. This is the output of simulate. Okay, this is experiment1. The third is the same with the second. Experimental 2. Design counter with count value 6 by 74LS161 chip display the simulator result. In last test, we give you the diagram. So you can draw the schematic according to this diagram. This diagram. Not please. The experimental is so easy, but many students don't draw it. Don't draw it. I will show the process of designing. Create a new project. Not please. When we start to design a circuit, we must be create a new project. New project. Do you want to close? Yes. Close. All file. I will put all designing circuit in this folder. Name. Six. No. This project is empty. File new. OK. Double link and this chip is put it in this library. This library. Oh, you can find out from here. This is 74161 chip symbol. Chip symbol. I will draw the circuit according to this diagram. This diagram I gave you this diagram last test. I gave you 这个图我给你了啊，所以你就照着这个画就行了。According to this 啊，according to this。我的鼠标不好用啊，哎呀，不好画。OK 啊。This signals connect the ground 啊，and the two signals connect power. I will find out the ground symbol 啊，ground symbol。
老师，you can type GND，you can
什么？
search by，你可以写 GND 可以了，就可以。
我的链接怎么了？
老师，我说你可以那个，写一下 GND 就可以了吧？
啊，对，我可以写 GND，我现在是在演示不同的方法，我下面就会用那个什么不同的啊。好，我们先用这个方法找一下，我们也可以用那个找 GND 的方法啊，就像刚才一样，输入 input 输入 output 来找。那我先给大家展示的是如果是记不得那个字母的话，如何去找这个东西啊？If you don't remember the ground 的那个简写啊，the name you can find the symbol by this method 啊，by this method this 啊this symbol put in primitives library and this others 有 GND and VCC VCC is power 啊。And if you know the name of the symbol, you can put the name in here VCC。好了。Is the four output signals QA, QB, QC, QD 啊。because I will design the 6 value counter so the not gate not AND gate must be connect this like this why because because when we design a circuit by 74161, the design method have several method. Important method is design by 那个这个叫什么by this signal. This signal is a synchronous set data signal. This is the synchronous set data signal 啊，这是一个同步质数端，同步质数，我们可以通过这个同步质数来设置啊。那同步质数的话 ，look， the initial zero is 000 啊 ，the initial number is 000 啊 ，so the counter count from 000 啊，所以这是 QD 4个啊 ，QC QB QA QD QC QB QA are output signals. They count the value from initial number is this 000 the initial number is 000 and the last number is 0 1and 中间还有0 0 0 0 and the second number is 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 0 and so on. The last number is 0 1 0 1. The total is 6. Total is 6. So the counter is the 6th value. 6th value. Because the counter state total is total 6. So it is the 6th value counter. 6th value counter. Look, the last number is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. So when the output signal arrive 0 1 0 1, the data must be to produce a control signal. Control signal. The control signal set the counter. 这怎么说呀？这个最后的一个数呢，产生了一个质数信号，产生一个质数信号啊。那么这个质数信号一到达的话，那么这个输出的结果，那么就又回到了这样一个0000。所以最后的一个数是这个啊。所以这就是这样的啊。所以这个计数器呢 ，the counter count the number from 0 0 0 0 and the last and the count last number is 0 1 0 1. When the output signal arrive 0 1 0 1, the signals produce a control signal. the signal to set the counter number from the initial number. So when the output signal arrives this, and the next it return come back the initial number. So this is the last number. Look this. When the output signal is 0, 1, 0, 1. This one and this one, QC and QA. So, 哎，对呀，这不是6进制的吧？我看，哦，这不是6进制的。This is 10哦1010 and like this the connection is 11 value 11 value. So if the we design the 6 value, the AND gate is not this connection this connection 应该是0101哦 OK so the counter value is 6. The circuit must be like this. The circuit must be like this. When the output is 0, 1, 0, 1. This 1, 1. 这是一个throw pass the not and gate 11. 那么produce 0 signal. Produce the output signal is 0. When this signal and this signal are 1当这两个输入信号是11的时候，那么这个 output signal is 0 11的时候 this is 0 0 and this 0 produce synchronous side data signal so this counter come back the initial 0 0 0 initial number the initial number is 0 0 so it is a circle circle counter 开始周期性的计数好，好了，OK。 哎呀，我的鼠标不好用啊。好，好 ，and the name 啊 ，clear log。好，OK，save counter 6啊，counter 6。好，we can close 啊。好，simulate it 啊，simulate。The synchronous clean is low is low level 啊。When it is low level, the output is clean 啊。So we must set the value is 1啊。好。Look here 啊。The number from 0 to 5, total 6. So the counter is 6 value counter. The counter is 6 value. Is 6 value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 6. So this counter is 6 value. this 啊，类似的。not please 啊，the circuit like this, the counter is 11 value 啊，because look here 啊，这样的接法，那么看啊，这个接法就是1010啊，1010啊，这是我们讲的这个1010。this 啊，哪去了？啊，10啊，你看 this 啊 ，this 这是1010啊，1010 is the last number. The initial number is 00啊，一直到这个，一直到 the total is 11. So if the circuit like this, the counter is 11 counter 啊。好，好 ，this is the experimental 2啊，experimental 2。好，experimental 3我就跳过了啊。escape this experimental because this experimental is same with this 啊，with this is same with this 啊。好 ，experimental 4啊，design half added by continuous assignment statement gives the result of simulate 啊，half add logic expression is CO equal A and B 啊，this is describe AND gate 啊，SO equal A XOR B 啊，this describe XOR gate 啊，好，我们来设计啊。create a new project 啊。name 啊，this name must be different with last name 啊，不能再叫 half 了啊，因为这个 half 我们已经叫过了啊，不能起同样的，不能有同样的名字啊。in this folder, the every experimental circuit must have a different name 啊，must different name，我们就叫它 half 吧啊。就叫 half 啊。啊，好，we must choose this method of input 啊，输入的方式必须是这个 Verilog HDR 啊。O port signal， all port signal A B S O C O 啊。SO equal A E 或 B 啊。This symbol is XOR 的运算符啊，这就是易或的运算符啊，这就是易或的运算符。或者 you can write SO 等于 equal this or this is right 啊 ，this experimental and this experimental are right 啊，你可以选择一个啊，but if you put this signal put here, this is wrong 啊，this is wrong 啊，不能放后面啊。This symbol must be put here 啊，here。This experimental is right and this experimental is right 啊，这个也表示的易或，这个也表示的易或啊，这个符号易或XOR。this symbol represent XOR gate 啊，and this 啊is the same function 啊 same function， 写一种啊，写一个就可以了。好，this statement and this statement can be omitted 啊，can be omitted。好，啊，这就是这个半加器的设计啊，半加器。好 ，OK，save this file 啊，file，the file name must be 这个啊，half 啊，yes。好，we can close and we can open。好。 哦，this 啊，this 这个逗号啊，逗号。逗号。好 ，OK，this，it can be simulate to save the time, I skip the step step. The process is the same with the last experimental 好 this this design D 这个I talked about this circuit in our class this D flip flop with a synchronous clean back 这个this this design 4to1 multiplexer by test state gives a result on simulate this this is the question in last test yes case and if I talked about the program in our class in our class 已经讲过了这个我们都讲过了这个好if I demand to simulate the program, you can this 啊，this 啊。This is the simulation 啊，you can look the output 啊，你们自己可以分析一下为什么是这个结果啊，自己可以分析一下为什么是这个结果，可以分析一下啊。可以看一下啊，这个大家能看懂吗？可以看一下啊，根据这个，我们这个仿真要根据这个逻辑来看啊。Look this 啊，look this logic，look this logic 啊，when cell is 0,0，the output is in 0啊。when the cell is 11 and the output is 这个最高的啊，the high bit 啊。So you can this 啊，when the cell is 00,00 and the output is look this when cell is 00, output is the low bit low bit data when cell is 00 and the output is low data low, this is a low and this is the high bit this is a low bit low bit high bit so when the cell is 00 and output is low bit value when the cell is 11 11 the output is the high bit high bit the high bit is 0 so when the cell is 11 the output is 0 0 so this is the simulation output simulation 对好了好 experimental 5 design counter with value 6 gives a result this is so easy so easy this 这个我们已经讲过多次了I talked about this similar program many times 讲过很多次了this 6 this clear the max value is 5 when it is 5 come back 0 else 加1 this 好我就不仿真了因为这个已经做过很多次了好 this is the last experimental design the chip chip this chip is CT74160 74160这个功能this is the function table the first line describe the synchronous clean when it is low level the output signal are 0 0 0 0 the second line describe the set data function when LDN is low level the output equal the input data input data 第三 D3, D2, D1, D0 are input data. When the signal is low level, the output equal the input data, input DCBA DCBA. 好，the last line describe the counter function the counter function when EP and ET equals 1, the Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0 start count. The count value is 6. So this is the program. This. Look. Asynchronous clear. This is the synchronous set data signal 质数端when it is a low level, the input data put the output signal when EP and ET equal is true truth, the output start counter. 但是你们这个地方有没有疑问呢？是否有同学问这个问题啊 ？Ask the question. Anyone ask the question? Why the counter don't have the max counter number? Why? This program don't have the max value counter. Look this the counter 6 value we set a max counter value in here max counter value. Why? In this program, why we don't have the max counter value? 为什么没有呢？为什么？ Because the output signal this means the output signal is 4-bit number, 4-bit binary number. If the 4-bit number start counter, the number from bit, 4-bit binary, the initial number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the last number is 1, 1, 1, 1. Because this means it is 4-bit binary. So the last number is 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. Total 16 number. Because this counter is 16 number. So 因此我们这样写的话，正好它就是16个所以不用写所以因为它本身就能记到16个而这儿的计数器呢，正好又是模16的计数器，大家看了模16的计数器。So we start the counter then it counter from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1 automation 自动的and come back and automation come back 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1 and come back 0 0 and 1 1 1 1，所以它自动的就是一个模16的计数器，所以我们不用给它那个最大值啊。So we don't give the max 啊 count number 啊，就是这个意思了啊。因为它正好是一个模16的计数器，而它记的话，它一共有，它是一个4位的二进制啊。4位二进制呢，本身最大的正好就能记到16个，所以这样写就可以了啊，这样写就可以了。好啊 ，OK， 好啊。It is all our experimentals 啊 all our experimentals 啊。I show you the whole steps 啊。好了啊，好了，我们的课就上到这儿啊。上到这儿，我们the class is finished. Then I will talk about the final test. Final test 啊。The final test. I will send the final paper at 多少啊？16 June 16 6月30号，正好是星期三啊。It is the next the Wednesday next Wednesday 啊 Wednesday 啊。I will put the I will send the financial paper in WeChat. I will leave 2 days for you to finish the paper. The financial